And you said the IFT slip has your signature.
The Bachelor of Arts in Economics. For how many years? You attended?
Like the defense attorney has rightly pointed out, there is no rule of law that actually does dictate that a person may not be granted bail at a given stage of a trial in a criminal case. And hence the person may apply for and be granted bail at any stage of the trial, especially depending on the circumstances of the case. In this case, I don't find the stage at which the trial has reached a sufficient ground for denial of bail to the accused person. The accused is therefore hereby granted bail. However, due to the nature of allegations in this case, the following terms will apply. The accused will pay in cash before his release a sum of 3 million Uganda shillings only. Each of his sureties will execute a non-cash bond of 50 million Uganda shillings only. The sureties' original national IDs will remain in this court until final determination of this matter.
Nkanya omuntu okubeera ebweru n'asobola okwerwanako. Olunaku olutuweereddwa katugira tugenda n'olwo era nga bwe tugaye tujja kugoberera amateeka kye gagamba.